You're welcome to this lesson. I'm about to start probability. And what we are treating today is with and without replacement. The first question, I'm going to treat two questions under this. And the first question is already on the board. The box contains 5 blue balls, 3 black balls, and 2 red balls. The ball is selected at random from the box and then replaced. A second ball is then selected. Find the probability of obtaining A, 2 red balls, B, 2 blue or 2 black balls, and C, 1 black ball and 1 red ball in any order. Solution. The first thing we have to do is to calculate the number of balls in the box. So, total number of balls equal to have 5, we have 3, and we have 2. And that is 10. So we have 10 balls in the bag or in the box. Now, the first question, we are trying to find the probability of choosing 2 red balls. So the first thing is to check the number of balls. Remember that the first one was picked and replaced. So the probability of picking the first red ball is 2/10. Because in the box, we have 2 red balls and you can pick any of them. Since we pick and replace, we are still going to have 10 balls in the box. So probability of picking the second red ball is also 2/10. And then you reduce, this is 1, this is 5, 5, 1. And that is 1/25. 1/25 is the answer to that. So we are going over to B. And then B said we have to find the probability of picking 2 blue or 2 black balls. The first question is how many blue balls do we have? And in probability, or means addition. So how many blue do we have? We have 5. First one, 5/10. That's we're talking of probability of picking 2 blue or 2 black balls. And that is 5/10 times 5/10 plus, well, we are told that it's either blue or black. So black, how many? We have 3. That's 3/10 times 3/10. We are doing it like that because you will pick and replace, which means the number still remains the same. And that is, this is 1, 2, 1, 2. And then this one, nothing can divide. So we have 1/4 plus 9/100. And that will give us, the LCM is 100. That's 100. For dividing that, 25 plus 100 dividing that is 9. And 9 plus 25 will give us 34. That is 34 all over 100. We divide by 2. And then 2 here is 17. And then 2 here is 50. So our final answer to that is 17 over 50. Okay. Then we are now going over to C. We're going over to C. So in C now, we were told to find the probability of picking one black ball and one red ball. So we are talking of probability of getting one black ball and one red ball. And in probability, and is multiplication, while or is addition. So that will give us black. How many do we have? We have 3. That's 3 over 10 times. Red, you have 2 over 10. Since we pick and replace. And that is 6 over 100. We divide. 2 here is 3, 2 here is 50. So our final answer is 3 over 50. And that is the answer to that. So that is the answer to the 3 questions given to us. So we're now going to number 2. We're going to number 2 question. Okay, we'll continue with number 2. In number 2, we have a bag contains identical balls of which 12 are red, 16 white, and 8 blue. 3 balls are drawn from the bag, one after the other without replacement. Find the probability that A, the 3 balls are red, B, the first is blue and the other 2 are red, C, 2 are white and 1 is blue. Picking without replacement means that as you pick, you remove, unlike the first one. So first of all, we have to find the total number of balls in the bag. Solution. Total number of balls. You have to add, and that is 12 plus 16 plus 8. So 12 plus 16, 28, 28 plus 8, 36. So we have 36 balls in the bag. And then to continue, we start with number 8. We have to find the probability that the 3 balls are red. So we are looking for probability of picking red, red, red. And that is probability of picking the first red ball. You check the total number of red balls all over the total number of balls. So the red balls, we have 12. And that means we have the first one, 12 over 36. That is, we are picking the first red ball, which is 12 over 36. And then to pick the second red ball, remember the total number has reduced by 1. It will now be 11 over 35 because it will remain 35 inside the bag. Then the probability of picking the third red ball multiplied by 10 over 34. It has reduced again as we are picking the number. Total number is being reduced and the number of red balls are also being reduced. So you simplify 12 here, 1, 12 here 3. 5 here 2. 5 here 7. 2 here 1. 2 here 17. So that will give us 11 over 21 times 17 will give us 357. So 3 times this is 21 times 17 will give us 357. So we are now going over to B. And for B, we were told that the first one is blue and the other two are red. How many balls are blue? We have 8. That means we are looking for probability of picking blue, red, red. And that is probability of picking the first blue to be 8 over 36 because we have 8 blue. Then followed by the total number now has been decreased by 1. So the probability of picking the first red will now be 12 over 35 times 11 over 34. Then you simplify. This is 3. This is 1. And then this is using 2. This is 4. This is 17. And 4 times 11 will give us 44 all over. To multiply out, it will give you 1,785. That is 3 times 35 times 17. 1,785 as the final answer to that. Then we are going over to number C now. We have C. And in C, we have to find the probability of choosing 2 whites and 1 blue. So we have probability of choosing 2 whites and 1 blue. Well, we are not told the particular way we are to choose it, so we have to consider all the possibilities. It is possible we have white, blue, or that is, it's possible the first one you pick white, followed by another white, and then finally by blue, or white, blue, white, or or blue, white, white. So these are the possibilities of picking the white and blue balls. Then in each case, you now consider. This will give us how many white balls do we have? We have 16 of them. And that is first one, 16 over 36 times. Second one, 15 over 36 by. The third one should be blue. How many blue? We have 8 blue. 8 over 34. This should be 35, please. Because as we are picking, is reducing. So now plus, because all means addition, plus 16 over 36 times 8 over 35 times again 15 over 34. Then plus again, that's the last one now. Blue is 8 over 35. 8 over 35 plus, 8 over 35 times, we have blue, white, white. So times 16 over 35 times 15 over 35. So you continue. We come over to this side. So coming over to this side, we have or we can repeat it here. We have 16 over 36, 15 over 35, 8 over 34, plus 16 over 36, 8 over 35, and then 16 over 34. Then plus now 8 over 36, 36, not 35. 8 over 36 times 16, 35, 15 over 34. So in each case, you simplify. And if you watch, you discover that in each case, we are supposed to get the same answer because we have 36, 35, 34. 36, 35, 34, 36, 35, 34 in each case. So we are going to now simplify. And in order to do that, we have 4 here, 9, 4 here, 2, 2 here, 1, 2 here, 17. And then 5 here, 3, 5 here, 7. Do we have another thing? Yes. 3 here, 1, 3 here, 3. So we're now going to have 3 times 7 times 17. The same thing happened in all of them. So without wasting time, that will give us 16 all over. 21 times 17 will give us 357. Let's cross check. 21 by 21 by 17. 357. 16 over 357 plus 16 over 357 plus 16 over 357. That means if you work it out, give you the same thing, and that is giving us this 9, this 2, 2, 1, 2, 17. Then which one again? 1, 2, 17. I think that's something missing somewhere. 8. Okay, yes, there's a mistake here. This should be 15 and not 16. So this one, 5 here, 3, 5 here, 7, 3 here, 1, 3 here, 3. To get the same thing, this is also 2, this is 17, and then this is 3, 7, and then This is 8, 2 8s, or sorry, let us leave that. 3 here 1, 3 here 12. I think there's something missing there. 35, 36, 34, 8, 16, 15. I think it's correct. So let me write it 12. We have 8 over 36. Okay, there's a mistake. This is 4 and not 5. Times 16 over 35 multiplied by 15 over 34. Okay, so 4 here 2, 4 here 9, 5 3 5 7, 3 1 3 3, and then 2 1 2 17. So, and that will give us this. So by the time you now have it, you have the LCM is 3 5 7, and then add it 16 plus 16 plus 16. So in continuation, we have 48 all over 3 5 7 as our final answer to that. So that is the final answer to that value, 48 over 3 5 7 as the answer. So one thing is that the difference between with and without replacement is that with replacement, you are picking and returning the same number you have picked. But without replacement, you are picking and you are removing. The total number is reducing. The particular color is also reducing. So that's the difference between this and the first one. Thank you. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And if there's any question, you are free to ask in the comment section. I've come to the end of this lesson. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.